was fun.
Woo! Go, Mama!
It'd be so funny if she just fell off.
Oh
my gosh! Skills when she just fell off.
Mama got skills.
Did you just see that? She was like right at where my grandma was. Oh! She's still going right where my grandma is.
I know.
Why is she going up that far?
Come on, Daddy!
Why is she going up that far?
It's not that far. It's the exact same amount of space that...
I
Yeah,
thought
so
your mama
much
had
Mom-
skill.
Mama's got... Hell, she made it around farther than you did!
I went 2 times around. She only went around 1.5.
On your first try!
You had better skills.
Me?
Yeah, you fell off twice. That's all. Once you did a face plant, it was hilarious.
And then the other time I flipped.
She did a backflip.
Oh my god, that hurt my shoulder so
Oh.
bad. Come on, Mama!
We want to see your mad skills.
Don't do that.
The other one.
Gonna fucking kill him.
So you're gonna kill him?
Yes,
Kill who?
Taman.
Oh. That faggot? Or that faggot? That faggot.
Oh!
Ah, I see.
What faggot?
Does that thing actually?
You faggot.
Right.
Hey now, I'm recording.
Hey now.
You're right. Get your game on. That's for my butt. Bad, yo. No, it's snowing.
It's already snowing. Jordan's the faggot. Yeah, it's already.
Jordan, please stop. Jordan, you're in the way. Move. I can't get it towards your mom. Move your ass. Woo, go, Mama. Stop.
Faggot?
I didn't. I called you a faggot. You want to throw somebody, you can throw something at me. Jordan, you chill.
Jordan! Stop.
Stop. It's snowing.